slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? IRV Stuff back here once again, and today we're just going to be doing a quick little review on the Yeezy 350 Synth, or Yeezy 350 V2 Synth, in the reflective 3M version. Oh my god, there's like cats like fighting like crazy out there. I don't even know what's happening, but anyways, I digress. Let's get into it. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications, and last but not least, follow the Instagram link will be in the description, of course, as always. So at IRV Stuff TV, follow your boy. Anyways, let's get into this. These are from BST, or BrandSneakerTwins. I've done a review on them before, and I just got 2 more pairs of shoes in from them. So got this or these for my friend, and then a pair of off-white Jordan 1s in the white colorway, the European exclusive. So let's take a look at these. This is all the information right here. So there you go. The website, email, Instagram, WhatsApp, and if you use the code IRV10, you can get $10 off anything on the website without any minimum purchase. So you don't need to spend a certain amount of dollars to get $10 off. So if you shop, I don't condone it, but you guys are shoppers. I'm sure many of you are watching this video being like, oh, you know, maybe you stumbled upon the site and you want to see what people got, so this is what you get. That's all I'm doing this video for, under fair use, of course, so covering my ass there. Anyways, yeah, I think these took about a week to get here. Came double box, of course, and yeah, customer service with them has been great. The first order I did with them was through Yupo. This one, they actually have a website now, which is BrandSneakerTwins.com. They go by BST. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into it. This is a box right here. There's all the information. Synth reflective. Yeezy Boost 350 V2 size US 9.5. Some random sticker there. 350 on the top, Boost on the side, nothing we have not seen before. So you get some free little goodies in here, which is dope that they included. Of course, the retail pairs did not come with Yeezy socks, but it's pretty dope still. So check it out. Bam, got the 3M Yeezy socks. Pretty dope. I've never seen 3M socks before, so that is pretty sick. So free little gift from my homie, because these aren't for me, so I'm not gonna be wearing the socks. I'm gonna just give them what they sent with them. So there you go. Let me just toss these back in the bag if I can. All right, zip them up if I can. Okay, please just zip up. Nice and simple. There we go. So yeah, pretty dope that they included that stuff without me asking. Definitely like something you want to see, even if it's not something that was released with the shoes at like retail locations. Another thing that I got, which is like I'm like really contemplating keeping this, but I think I'm gonna pass it off to the homie anyways, is like a 1-to-1 replica of the 350 V2s, like in like a brass color, little keychain. So this is way better than those like rubber keychains, man. Super dope addition. I don't know if they include this stuff with every purchase of Yeezys. They did with mine. So if you want to ask for it, you might have to pay extra. I'm not sure. They just gave it with mine. So yeah, that's all you get. And then of course you get the wrapping paper as well, but not really important. So now let's take a quick look at these shoes and see what's popping on them. So you can see these are heavily 3M reflective, of course. You got 3M popping on the laces as well as the entire upper of the shoe. Of course, the 3 stripes are 3M as well. Stitching, I'm just trying to look on the side because the 3M is like blocking me on the actual camera. So stitching looks on point. There's no loose threads as far as I can see. So that's dope. General like shape of the shoe seems to be on point. You got that little hump in the back. Yeah, it's just nice. So you can see the quality right there. Midsole, ooh, that midsole is nice and squishy, so you can definitely feel the boost. Yup, that boost is super nice. There's the little dots with the 3 stripes going all the way up there. Got the Adidas on the top. Inside the shoe, you got that Adidas Yeezy in that like peach synth color, whatever they call it. I'm gonna just call it like rose gold. That's as close as it looks. There's the size tag as well on the inside for y'all, so get a good look at that. Beyond that, there's not too much to talk about. It comes with these 2 tags. Doesn't come with the RFID tag. So, but the sizing seems to be correct, and actually what the size is. So it's dope. Not gonna show y'all the bottom of the insole. There's really no point. But yeah, just a simple little review. Not gonna take too much longer on this because it's not a shoe we haven't seen before, but this is the quality they're putting out, which is pretty damn good for what it is. So yeah, man, quality on the site, dope. They mainly sell Yeezys, Jordan 1s, Nikes, Off-Whites, stuff like that. Don't know if they plan on upping the amount of shoes that they sell, like the different variety, but it is what it is. That's what you can get for now, and the quality is banging, as you can see on video. So you got that 3M popping, you got that see-through stripe all along the mids, right, translucent real quick. Yeah, you can see the stitching is on point. Got that cross stitch, super dope. Bottom of the shoe on the left, inside. So nothing seems to be lacking on these guys, nothing. So if you want to cop, do what you want. I'm not condoning it, but I'm showing you what I got for my money. So with all that being said, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Stay up to date with me. Follow the Instagram, link will be in the description, of course, at @ReviewStuffTV. Follow your boy. Drop a like on the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of stuff. With all that being said, hopefully y'all are blessed, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.